Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2017 Toyota Tundra with some great exterior features that include a tonneau cover, running boards, front and rear bumper sensors, along with 3M film protection on the hood and front fenders. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, we've got black Softex interior with red accent stitching. This Tundra also comes equipped with a power moonroof, power seats, and power windows. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our audio controls. On the right you have your hands-free calling and cruise at the bottom. This Tundra has 51,000 kilometers. Over in the middle on your touchscreen you've got your AM/FM radio, Bluetooth phone connection, navigation, as well as a backup camera. Right below that we have our climate controls. And down at the very bottom, you've got your outlets along with your heated seat buttons. The back seats come with two fold-out cup holders along with storage pouches in each of the seat backs. Additionally, these seat bottoms flip forward, giving you extra storage space. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2017 Toyota Tundra with some great interior features that include heated seats and navigation. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.